Jiahua Machine Z650S automatic aluminium drilling machine with milling. This machine is ideal for processing various technological holes in aluminum alloy profiles, including glue injection holes, movable corner coat holes, pinholes, corner protection, transmission rod notches. Equipped with foot pedal control for ease of operation, automatic clamping system to securely hold profiles during machining, high-precision drilling and milling system with a processing accuracy of 0.05 millimeters, dual station processing, improving efficiency by up to 6 times compared to conventional methods. Machine dimensions: length 7,000 millimeters, width 800 millimeters, height 2,000 millimeters. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.